Another watermelon?
Where's your watermelon?
Watermelon's going in your belly?
Well, down here.
Way down there? Is it good? There's our camp. And our campfire. And right over there is the boat launch. How was your first night at camping, Austin? Did you like camping, Johnny? Don't want to talk this morning? Ready to break the tent down?
Yeah.
Ready to go home? Austin. Johnny. You ready to go in there and let the air mattress out? So let the air plug out, Austin.
I don't want to, Mama.
You want to camp again?
Yeah.
Do you like camping?
Yeah.
You did. Maybe we'll do it again.
You pop,